In this video, I'm about to show you how to try SquadCast. First, head to the official SquadCast website on your web browser. SquadCast is a remote podcast recording platform designed to record high-quality audio and video. It also integrates with editing software and storage solution, making it popular among podcasters who want reliable, professional-grade recordings. It offers a free plan at $0, the hobbyist plan at $12 per month, the creator plan at $24 per month, and the business plan at $40 per month. Next, choose the plan you want to continue with and then click the Get Started button to start signing up. You'll be directed to the Descript app in the new tab. Then, sign up using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Now, choose your Google account and click Continue to give it access. It'll start fetching and loading your drive, which may take a few seconds. After that, you'll be directed to the Descript's dashboard, where you can start a new project. Later, upload an audio or video file and use Descript's powerful tools to edit your media. Browse through different features and you can start editing the transcript, cleaning up audio, or even editing voiceovers. Once exploring and editing are done, you can export your project in various formats, completing the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.